In this video, I take a look at Poet's Piano by Dan Keene. Poet's Piano is a 100-year-old Blüthner 130. It was recorded with both the pedal up and pedal down positions with up to 6 dynamic layers and round robins. So here's what it sounds like right out of the box. Dan Keene used 31 microphone positions to sample this piano. He combined them into a whole bunch of different mic mixes here. And that's what these sliders are. He even has a submix, and he sampled the piano from the back, which is the rear mix. And he ran a live mix through an Eventide H110 harmonizer, and that gives an interesting effect. He even has the pedal noises and the key release noises and noise, which is like a tape hiss white noise. And I think it's really neat that you could control the volume of the pedal sounds and the release sounds, the key release sounds, because I've played some virtual pianos where you can't control the volume of that and then it's too loud. And this one you can turn it down or turn it up and have it just the way you want. I'm going to hear what it sounds like without this H910 harmonizer. Now I'm going to hear what it sounds like with just the close mix A and the close mix B loaded up. I'm going to disable the sub as well, and the rear. And then the noise here, which is this tape hiss, I'm going to disable that as well. Poet's Piano doesn't come with presets, but you can make your own by clicking this camera icon up here, and then clicking this floppy disk looking icon to make your own snapshot. And snapshots in Kontakt are presets that manufacturers make or you can make yourself. So I'm going to call this one close mix number 1. And there it is in my presets list right here. My pedal is going on a journey of its own, so I have to keep bringing it back. I have wood floors, and so my sustain pedal likes to move about. And now let's hear what each of the mixes sound like. Here's what just the close A mix sounds like. And here's what just the close B mix sounds like. And here's the close C mix. And here's just the mid mix. Here's just the ambient mix. Here's just the rear mix. I like the rear mix. I think it sounds really nice. And I'm going to hear what it sounds like with tons of pedal and tons of key release sound. There's the pedal. Here's these key releases. And it's a bit too much, so I'm going to turn those down. And now I want to mix in the ambient mix with the rear mix, and then some of this close B mix, and maybe a little mids. And hear what that sounds like. Now I'm going to put some of my own reverb on this piano. I have Ascend to Halls of Fame. It's a free reverb from Best Service. And I have loaded up here the concert hall preset. Poet's Piano is available from estsound.com. The link is in the video description. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, including sample library walkthroughs and reviews and comparisons, original music, and sample library demos, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the little bell icon to be notified when I release a new video. Thank you for watching.